Nice to have you back. Now that we're familiar with what chatbots are, their benefits, and how to create an MVP, but there's yet more to be done. Now it's time to market your chatbot. Chatbots can be marketed in different ways depending on the channel where your bot is located. For example, if a bot is launched on a website, it can bring a slight to no change to your overall marketing strategy. But the goal is to acquire website visitors through inbound and outbound campaigns, while the chatbot remains your conversion force. You can make the chatbot widget proactive. This means the chatbot will pop up and write a specific message when the user is on a specific part of the website. It helps to convert site visitors into customers. If a chatbot is launched on any messaging platform, it would be beneficial to promote it through the marketing abilities of the platform. It allows people to start the interaction right where they are to increase the chances of keeping users engaged. In this lecture, I would like to fill you in about the dynamic combination of chatbots and Facebook ads. Facebook, a social network that has amassed more than 2 billion users, makes an excellent location for advertising. Companies and businesses alike have been using Facebook to advertise their services and products for quite some time now. Chatbots are the new feature to the mix that makes it all much more compelling for marketers and business owners. Say we have a travel chatbot on Facebook Messenger that can handle a number of tasks. When using it, a customer may book hotel rooms, tours, and buy plane tickets. Furthermore, this chatbot can propose ideas to do and help with hotel management. Essentially, this chatbot would be a personal travel guide before and during a trip. Now knowing what our bot can do, it's time to think about the ways of marketing. Facebook ads and Facebook Messenger ads. Instead of linking an ad from a newsfeed to another website, now Facebook Messenger is a destination point for ads. This Facebook feature gives users the opportunity to communicate instantly with your business by clicking only on your ad. How can this ad look like? For example, if we would like to launch an advertisement to propose hot tours, we would generate an advertisement with a CTA button such as Send Message on a Facebook ad account. When a user reads a newsfeed or scrolls down through conversations in Messenger, they see an advertisement that they may interact with and will be redirected to the chatbot in Facebook Messenger, where the tour can be sold. So what are the benefits? No forms. Now people do not need to fill out forms. They immediately do it in a chatbot in a more engaging way. Staying on the same platform. There is no need to redirect the user to the site, what often causes the loss of a lead. All sale processes take place in Messenger and has much less barriers such as loading time, a new interface to learn, and an overwhelming amount of choices. Facebook comments. Let's imagine you created a post where you offer a 30% discount for any tour. The only thing required from the user is to start an interaction with your business by writing a code word in the comments. Let's say this word is sale. When a user writes this comment, the bot will immediately be able to message the user and propose tours with a discount. How you could understand, this is another useful option for lead generation. Even if the user doesn't make a purchase, you are still able to keep him in your pipeline and propose new discounts later on. Referral links. What is a referral link? This is a link which will direct a user to a certain point of conversation flow, but not at the beginning of the conversation. Let's suppose we need to generate new leads. You may create an ad with text such as, find out which country is your ideal vacation destination. We will add a referral link to a call to action button that leads to a certain point of the conversation. As a result, the chatbot will ask a user the number of questions and then will offer them the most fitting vacation spots based on the responses. Sequences. Sequences have a nice effect on user engagement. For example, the bot may check in on a tripgoer to follow them up after a trip. Basically, given a satisfaction survey, but the chatbot can also give new recommendations based on feedback. It allows to keep users engaged, build relationships, and to make an upsell to existing customers. As we mentioned in our previous lectures, open rate for Messenger is 4 times higher compared to emails. So, what can we expect as a result of combining Facebook ads and chatbots' power? First, you don't make your customers wait. Second, boosting the relationship building process with potential clients. Third, decreasing bounce rate by keeping users on the same platform with less obstacles with getting them where they need to be. Fourth, boosting sales and lead generation. Fifth and final, high relevancy thanks to precise targeting Facebook can offer. Well, we're almost getting to the end of our course, and in the next video, I will tell you about post-release trainings and improvements. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next lecture.